Hi, I'm Debbie Lawlor.
Mark Lawlor.
I had the upper eye lift and a forehead lift.
I had a deep plane facelift.
For about 2 years before getting it done, I kept seeing in pictures that my eyelids looked droopy. And then I started to have some vision problems in one eye, and I was noticing it as I was driving. I always had half of it was like cloudy and stuff. And came to Dr. Seeley, and he actually said, I think you're seeing your eyelid. And that was pretty incredible, to hear that. And so I decided to go ahead and get it done, and it was amazing. The difference was so quick.
We did the research together, and we decided, especially with accreditations and the reviews we saw online, that we would choose Dr. Seeley.
And actually, one other thing with that is that when we came to see him, we had actually lined up some other interviews, but the minute that you met him, you felt really comfortable. And that was important, and his staff, he felt comfortable. I love the results. People were just like, oh my God, you look amazing. And you weren't telling them what you did, but it was just like, I had that level of confidence back again.
I'm very pleased with the results. One of the things that nailed it for me was, after my son's wedding on New Year's Eve, there were a whole bunch of pictures. And I saw my face compared to my contemporaries. I was very pleased with the difference. So that was a really visible kind of tangible affirmation of the result.
They were so professional, yet so personable, that it made the experience just amazing. And I would recommend it to anyone that's considering it, because I don't think you're going to find a comparable group of people to work with that will take you through the process the way that they did.